Think you make decisions logically? Oh, your brain would like to politely disagree. From breakfast to breakups, emotions sneak into every choice you make. And neuroscientists like Joseph LeDoux and Louise Pessoa have spent decades showing that emotions aren't just feelings. They're data your brain uses to decide what's safe, what's risky, and what's worth your time.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Your amygdala is constantly tagging things with emotional value. Dangerous, exciting, cute cat, must pet immediately. Then your prefrontal cortex tries to integrate all of that into a decision. It's like a chaotic meeting where the emotional team never stops talking. And here's the plot twist. When the vmPFC is damaged, people can think perfectly logically, but suddenly make terrible decisions. This was shown in research by Antonio Damasio and Bechara. So without emotions, your choices don't get better. They actually fall apart. Damasio's somatic marker hypothesis explains why gut feelings matter. Your body sends emotional signals, heart rate, tension, warmth, that act like a built-in guidance system. They nudge you toward decisions your brain learned from past experiences, even if you're not consciously aware of it. But emotions don't just help, they shortcut. The effect heuristic, described by Paul Slovic, tells us that a single feeling can completely tilt your judgment. If something feels good, you judge it as low risk. If it feels bad, you judge it as high risk. Fast, automatic, and sometimes very wrong. Under stress, your brain gets noisy. Research by Elizabeth Phelps shows that high emotional arousal can narrow attention and push you toward riskier or more impulsive decisions. That's why arguing and making big decisions is usually a terrible combo. But positive emotions can do the opposite. Alice Issen's research found that happiness broadens your thinking, boosts creativity, and improves problem solving. So yes, sometimes being in a good mood literally makes you smarter. So emotions aren't the enemy of reason, they're the co-pilot. They highlight what matters, filter information, and help you navigate complex choices. The trick isn't to eliminate emotions, it's to recognize when they're steering and when you should take the wheel back. Every decision you make is a duet between the emotional brain and the rational brain. Understanding that duet doesn't remove emotions, it gives you the power to use them. So, what's one decision you made recently that was totally emotional? Be honest, and how did it turn out? Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.